because Red Bull did release a blueberry addition to their family. And the reason why I'm disappointed, is because I'm looking through the ingredients and don't see natural extracts of blueberry anywhere. Let me just go through some of the ingredients here. Carbonated, glucose, citric acid, taurine, sodium citrate, magnesium carbonate, caffeine. Where's the blueberry extract? Blueberry. Use a real blueberry extract. Crazy to know that humor people, because they have been telling me, Michael, you have to try this drink. So let me just go ahead and give it a try anyway. I mean, it is blueberry.